So I don't know if you guys know this, but people are making thousands of dollars daily from AI-built Shopify stores just like these. This is even making some people millionaires and changing their lives financially. Even myself, I became a self-made millionaire literally from the power of online business and social media. It bought me my dream home, my dream cars, and a life of freedom I never thought was possible. It has never been easier or a better time than to start right now. You can literally do this from anywhere in the world. And I'm gonna show you how easy it is because I'm gonna show you how to start dropshipping right now today. There are so many of you guys starting this online business model after watching my YouTube channel and trying things themselves, and people are out here getting crazy results. So if they can do it, why can't you? We're going to accomplish this today in 3 steps. We're gonna use a free AI tool to build a store, find winning products to sell, and strategize this business from A to Z to start getting sales right away. And you already know so many people don't even do that because a lot of times people make videos about this and they haven't even actually done this themselves. But I got you. I'm also gonna keep this as affordable as possible because I don't want you guys out here spending thousands of dollars just to start an online business. It does not have to be expensive to start one. I'm also gonna be sharing my own personal marketing strategies that took my business to earning millions in just a few years. And I did that without buying a single ad. So make sure you watch all the way to the end of this video because we're gonna master everything today. So step number 1 is let's build our online store. And it's never been easier to do this because AI can build this in less than 10 minutes using this one AI tool. And this is gonna be much faster than you trying to do it by yourself. Again, this is 100% free to use with no catch. To make it easy for you guys, I put the link right at the top of my description box down below. Once you click that link, it's gonna bring you to this page. Once you are at this page, then just click on Build My Free Store. We're gonna put your name and email here. Then we're going to select your niche. Now, don't worry if you don't know 100% what your niche is gonna be yet. We're gonna just pick the best one that interests us. And we can always switch this up later. So for this free course, I'm gonna go ahead and just click fashion and apparel. Then we're gonna just choose a banner. Again, this is something you are able to easily change later, so no pressure. Don't get stuck on this, guys. And now we're going to create a new Shopify account to host this online store in. So right now, if you use this link, you're gonna get the first 3 months for only $1 per month. So make sure you sign up through this link right here. So just click Access Shopify. We're going to just type in our email and just click Start Free Trial. Just click Skip for all of these. And here, you're gonna wanna just select where your dropshipping store is gonna be located in. I'm gonna put United States. Then just finish up the sign up process and click Create Shopify Account. Once we are signed up with Shopify, we're gonna go back to the AI Store Builder and click Done. Now let's go back to our Shopify tab. Go up to the link here and just copy this link here. Then go back to the store builder and where it says store URL, just paste the link here and click save. Then click done. In this next step, we're going to just click Access Shopify again. And this part is very important because at this stage, we're going to actually select the plan. And if we don't have the plan ready, we're not gonna be able to continue any further. So let's go ahead and sign up. And this is going to give you a discount. Again, $1 per month for the first 3 months, which is literally nothing. Then we're gonna just set up our business address. And what I did is when I first started dropshipping, I just put my home address. Nobody can see this. And then when I knew I wanted to keep this long-term, then I bought a virtual address for literally like $10. But don't worry, guys, no one is able to see this information. So then, guys, go back into the AI Store Builder and click Done one more time. Now we just need to install the Store Builder app into our Shopify page. And this is really easy. Just click Install App and then just click Install again. And now click Customize My Store. And now the AI is building our store for us. Let's go back to Shopify, go to Online Store, Preferences, scroll down and make sure you turn off the password protection on your store. So now your store can go live and other people can find your store. So now you can see we have a full online dropshipping store ready to go. And this looks so professional and would have normally had to take us hours to actually make ourselves. It has everything you need here. As you guys can see, your About Us page, shipping policy, return policy, order tracking, and everything you need to look and be a legitimate business. Once you guys have your socials set up for your brand, you can link them right here. And this is gonna look perfect because it's gonna make your brand look so much more legit in your website. And obviously you're gonna wanna customize this a little bit more. So if you guys do, like the store name, the logo, maybe just some policy pages here as well. We can just do that by going right back to the Shopify dashboard. Just go down here, click Online Store, click Customize. And as an example, let's just scroll down and change our shipping policy. So now that you are in the customization area, click on the shipping policy box. And on the right-hand side, you'll see where you can change whatever you want here. So instead of the 1 to 2 days, we can just do 3 to 5 business days. We want to change that wording. You guys can see it's very simple to change whatever you want. Now that that's all set up, just read through everything else that you'll want to make any other changes here. Once you're done with any changes, now just click Save. Now let me show you how you can change the logo. Just go up here and click on Header. Here it says Edit your logo and theme settings. So just click Theme Settings. And then over here on the left, just click Change. Click Select from Library, and here we can change our logo to the logo we made. And I'll show you guys how to actually make a logo and pick a business name right after this, right after we find the product. So to create your logo, guys, it's never been easier. Just head over to ChatGPT. This is completely free to use. You can ask it to create you a logo and it will literally create you a logo in seconds. Now you guys can see our store looks so much more professional. And look at this, we have our logo here, our name, and our store is now ready to go. Now I'm gonna help you find winning products for your online store. And you guys remember, I always say it's 25% the product, 75% how you market it. For us to build a brand and store that lasts, we are not gonna chase quick trends. We're going to choose a meaningful product, something people are genuinely passionate about, that can have future momentum as we grow. Examples of this is unisex wellness products, sleep technology, digital detox tools, and sustainable non-toxic home decor. These are all categories that are scaling right now. We want to find a product that solves an insecurity and has a high profit margin. The new era of dropshipping is not about selling cheap stuff. It's about selling relevance to somebody's beliefs, insecurities, or life. And the products that we sell will make or break your business. So there's 2 ways to go about this. We can either search for them on platforms like AliExpress for suppliers, or we can use an all-in-one dropshipping app like AutoDS. You can go through AliExpress and find a product with fast shipping times by filtering through the search and manually copy and paste that listing over to your own store. I'm gonna show you a look into their platform just to see if it's worth it for you. So they have these built-in product search features on their website here under Marketplace. There's 3 main product research sections that I use for my own product research. There's the handpicked products, the ad spy, trending products, and TikTok analytics. The handpicked products tab is where you can find high-performing products that have undergone a full analysis. It's like having a team of e-commerce experts helping you find your winning product. You can narrow down this search by country, price range, and category, and they also have this fast shipping button, which will show you all the products with the fastest shipping times. You can see this one literally has 2-day shipping, which is exactly what we need. They also update this every single day, so you can always find new products here. And if you click on a product, you can see right here, this product has an insane profit margin. And you can make a lot per sale, and this product is going crazy right now. Look at all this data, guys. It gives you insight on how to price this product, shows us what the profit of this product is, who the target audience is, and even shows competitors that are selling it right now. So in seconds, we've already validated that this product is a winner. So let's go to the Ad Spy, which is a tool that allows you to oversee active TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook ads and content that's performing well on the platform. And they use this, I think, like based on likes, views, engagement. And since we found this really awesome product that has a crazy profit margin, let's now search that product here. So let's just type in red light therapy mask. And this gives us inspiration on how the product is being promoted, and we're able to see even more data here on this product. If you guys click on the TikTok analytics tab here, you can see all the products making the most money right now on TikTok Shop. And you can see what money they're making. Like, it's actually insane. All of these are going viral. You can see who's selling them, which videos are driving the sales. You can see the product price, 7-day sales trend, commission rate, how many things are sold. And you can really dive deep and go crazy just looking at all the different products that are just making so much money for these people right now on TikTok Shop, and see if they're demanded for somebody like you that's starting an actual brand. Because there's a lot of obviously brands on TikTok Shop, but a lot of people are not taking advantage of like Instagram, for example. So like maybe they're doing well on TikTok Shop, but they're not doing well on Instagram. So like that's where you come in to where, again, we'll talk about marketing very soon, but you'd be surprised as to how people ride waves on TikTok Shop and they do not make a brand out of it, which is what I am teaching you. So getting back to AutoDS, guys, automation is another key component of your dropshipping store, and AutoDS completely automates your online business journey. You guys can see here, once you get a sale, your supplier is going to ship that product straight to the buyer, and then you keep the profits. So once the orders start coming in, you can just load up your balance here. That's what AutoDS uses to pay your suppliers. And after that's set up, AutoDS is going to automatically place the orders, handle the supplier communication, update your customers, and handle everything for you. And like we were just talking about branding, you can also brand everything through here and add your logo to the products as well under the product customization area in AutoDS. So if you guys want to try this, I did put the link for this at the top of my description box down below. And that link will get you AutoDS 30 days for $1. So now that we have our online store and we have our supplier and a winning product, there's the one thing that most people do not set up, and I'm guilty of this too when I first started, and that's how to know if you were actually making money and how much money you were actually making from your online store. The money that you're bringing in means nothing if you are not calculating your true profit. This is another app that I found that I thought would be so helpful to you guys for starting a dropshipping store. This one is called True Profit. True Profit is a real-time net profit tracking app for Shopify that shows you your true profit, your real margins, and where your money is actually going. It's not just showing you revenue, it's showing the money that's actually going in your pockets. Most people think that they're profitable until they actually see the product cost, the refunds, the PayPal fees, the Stripe fees, everything stacked together. And this shows you everything that you need. So this is the True Profit dashboard, and this is basically your financial command center. It shows us our revenue, costs, and our real net profit updated in real time as orders come in. That way you're not wasting your time using spreadsheets and just guessing. Let me show you how easy it is to set this up. All you have to do is when you're on True Profit, just click settings, then cost of goods. And now we're going to tell True Profit how much this product actually costs us from AutoDS or AliExpress. If this product cost me $12.50 per unit, I'm just going to enter that in here. Now True Profit automatically subtracts this from every sale. So I'm seeing my real profit, not just the revenue that could not be accurate. Let's do the same for shipping. Just click shipping costs. And if your supplier charges $4 per order, you can just add that in here. Now every single order will have shipping removed from the profit calculation. Another good one is adding your ad spend. So True Profit also connects to your Facebook ads, TikTok ads, or Google ads, so you can pull up real ad spend into your profit numbers. So now you're seeing your product cost, shipping, ads, processing fees, refunds, all in one place. The product analytics tab shows you exactly which products are actually profitable here. So instead of guessing which product you should focus on and start scaling, you can literally just scale the ones with the highest profit margin. And this one is actually really cool. We're going to talk about marketing more very soon, but this specifically is the marketing attrition tab. And this tells you exactly which ads, campaigns, and platforms are making you money. So you don't just see clicks, you see profit per ad. So when you combine AutoDS for product sourcing and fulfillment and True Profit for actually tracking all the financials of your business, you now have a real business instead of a guessing game. I put the link to True Profit down in my description box down below, so you can install it in your Shopify store and see your real profit starting today. If you are serious about dropshipping in 2026, this is not optional, this is required. Okay guys, so now we are on to the most important thing ever. Like if you don't get this right, your store is not gonna grow, which is marketing. Now, number one thing that I recommend doing is once you find a winning product that you really feel confident in, I want you to order a sample of the product. So this is the product, guys, that we picked out today that we loved. And we're like, okay, this is a winning product. So for example, if you don't have a brand on your product, it's gonna look pretty basic at first, but as your business grows, then you should add your brand, just like how this brand did here in this product example. Now, why am I recommending that you order a sample of the product that you are selling? Well, number one is because organic marketing is what made me a millionaire. A lot of times people will just tell you to buy ads because it's the easiest thing to teach, and they've never actually done it themselves. But by learning organic marketing, this is what's gonna put you ahead of literally everybody for the next 10 years. And you can start that without showing your face. Especially when you're selling products, you don't have to show your face. A lot of brands are faceless. Think about some of your favorite brands. A lot of them are faceless. They don't really show their own face anyways. So we're going to take our product. Then all you need for organic marketing, guys, is your phone, because your phone connects you to everybody in the world. You just have to know how to use it right. So what I'm going to do, I have my iPhone. I've personally used the iPhone for the past 10 years. I think it is one of the best like video taking things. I don't like to even use my professional camera for taking videos of products. And I want you guys to be in a well-lit space. If you don't have a well-lit space in your house, go outside. And I want you guys to take videos of the product. So for example, I want you guys to take videos in 0.5 B-rolls. So you guys can see I have on my phone settings, I am in, let me show you guys. I am always on 4K resolution, 60 FPS. And I love 0.5 and well-lit spaces. If you're not in a well-lit space or for other situations, the 1X lens is the other one that I use for just taking B-roll images of the product. A lot of my most viral videos, I have just held things in my hand like this. Put it on your family, put it on your friends, ask your sister to take a video in it and take a video of them in it. You guys can use whatever you have around you right now to get videos. There's no excuse as to why you can't just take your own videos at your own house. You don't need AI to do it. You guys can see that we could have did that in literally less than 5 minutes. Now, once you guys have the actual B-roll clips and footage of the product, and also you want to order your product and make sure that it's good, that your supplier does a good job. If you're standing behind what you're selling, you need to like be confident in what you're selling. So that's another thing to just keep in mind. And a lot of times you can order samples on Amazon as well, or just other places. And guys, when it comes to like picking a product, picking a niche, general stores, those days are gone. People want to buy from stores that mean something. So if I start selling red light therapy products, I'm going to be able to add so many other wellness red light therapy products to my store. So I don't need to have a general store. Once you pick a good niche or a good theme for your store, you can then sell a bunch of other products in that same exact niche. Like this one right here, as an example, it's like a red light glove that you can also add to your store. So as you grow, your store can grow, your brand can grow, most importantly, and through your content, all you have to be doing is educating people, solving their problems. And if you need inspiration and you're like, well, I don't know what content to make, go on Instagram, go on TikTok and search red light therapy, search other wellness products. And you can literally get so much inspiration that way. Educational content plus emotional storytelling plus high quality products, that gives you instant brand authority. You are not just selling a product, you are selling solutions. So in this same day that I am setting up my stores, I am opening my Instagram page for my brand. I am starting the TikTok for my brand. I am starting the Pinterest for my brand. And again, don't get overwhelmed, guys. I promise you can find so many more slower videos about marketing on my YouTube channel. It's just too much to fit into one video today. But in those videos, I really give you hands-on and show you how to grow your business from scratch. So I want you guys to go study those videos next. I will link them down in my description box below as well. In terms of editing, I just use CapCut. It's a free app that you guys can use. And I know this might seem overwhelming and there's a lot to this. So number one, I did make a free marketing playlist all about how to maximize on marketing. So that free playlist is on my YouTube channel. I also have our community Viral Wealth, where we have even more helpful resources and one-on-one coaches. So if you're somebody that you started your brand, but you need help with marketing and you're having trouble strategizing, or you're making the content, but it's not getting views, that's actually why I created Viral Wealth. So if you want to join that, you can also join that. Link is in my description box down below for that. People are out here literally charging $5,000 for a coaching program. We would never. That's why I got you guys. Nobody's got you guys like I got you. And you guys already know my YouTube channel is your #1 source for 100% free education and courses. All I ask in exchange for the free education is just smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe to my YouTube channel so I can continue to create free courses and videos for you guys just like this. Wishing you all the best with your online business journeys, and I will see you guys in my next free course. Congratulations on starting your first online store. Bye, guys.